Has your doorknob seen better days? Lacking today's safety features? Don't let a small issue become a huge security risk. MacArthur Locks Doors provides top-notch doorknob repair and replacement in Chevy Chase, Maryland. We blend high-quality craftsmanship with cutting-edge security, just like we did for a client whose doorknob was a ticking time bomb. We were there in a flash. Fast, efficient, and with utmost care. They couldn't be happier. Secure your peace of mind. Call 202-760-4589 today or visit www.macarthurlocksanddoors.com for more updates.